Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod, very few amongst the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on business tycoon. Prajogo Pangestu. Prajogo Pangestu is born on 13 May 1944 in Indonesia. Prajogo Pangestu is having a wife, Herlina, with 3 children. Prajogo Pangestu is into oil, gas, renewables, geothermal energy, etc. In world ranking, he listed 31st, and in Indonesian, he is listed number 1 with having a net worth of $47.28 billion. Prajogo Pangestu is having into diversified fields that includes mining, coal, oil, gas, etc. Hey, please subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. Like and share also. Prajogo Pangestu is a businessman, investor, philanthropist, etc. Recently in Forbes listing, he is listed one of the richest person in Asia. And 31st in world ranking. Prajogo Pangestu is great to watch in recent times. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.